Now that we've added a blog page to your Weebly site, let's spend a little bit of time talking about the blog settings and some of the features on the blog, in addition to how to create and write a new post for your blog. Over here on the sidebar, you'll see author, archives, and categories. That may be default with the design that you chose. For the author, I would like for you to write something about yourself, and to edit this, you just want to do a quick introduction. So if somebody were to come to your blog, they would know in a snapshot of what you are about. So you just type it in, sort of like we did on our homepage in an earlier video. Now, this is where in the middle where your blog post will be, but as you can see right now, we haven't posted any blog posts, so I'll get to that in a minute. Down here at the bottom left is blog settings, and if you want to kind of look at those, and default settings are fine. You don't really need to change anything, but if you were to want to change some settings, how many posts per page, whether you want people to be able to share it, that is where you would access this settings page, or up here at the top. To go back from this page, just click Build, and you're back on the page where your blog is. So let's talk about how to create a new post. Each week, I will provide you prompts on this blog for you to use to write your reflections on your own blog. So you'll want to check my site every week to get that particular assignment, as I kind of told you in our introductory video. So to create a post, bottom right, click New Post. Here you will not need to add a title as they've provided you one. So you type in your title for whatever you want. I'll just go on, we'll do a test post here. Now, to type text into your post, to compose your blog post, you will need to use the drag and drop feature like we did earlier. And now you're able to type as much as you want and compose your reflection blogging post. When you get done finishing your post, let's say you're done composing your post and you're ready to post it, you're going to click this button up here at the top right, Post. But if you're typing your blog post and something's come up and you're not done yet, but you don't want to lose your information, click Save, and then you can come back and edit it later. But for now, I'm going to click Post. Now, look here. Your post has been added to your blog page, but is not live yet. You will need to publish your site for users to view your blog post. Remember what I told you. Anytime you do any updating or editing on your web page, you have to click the top right button. It's where the post was, but now it says Publish, and X out of that. Now your blog post will be visible. So that's how you do a blog post creation, and a little bit more about the features. One more thing, over here on this left function side, there are options for things that you can add to this sidebar under there. If you feel comfortable doing those, that's fine. If not, these little guys aren't required. They're just extra little things that we can add to our blog.